Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This short video is about how to change your eBay username in 5 steps. So let's launch straight into it. Now first of all, eBay allows you to change your eBay username once every 30 days. So don't panic if you change your name today and later down the track you come up with a better name. Also, if you're having trouble coming up with an eBay username which gives buyers the feeling of trust and confidence, I'll put a link on the screen and below to a previous week's video which shows you how to quickly find an eBay username which gives buyers the feeling of trust and confidence. Okay, let's launch into how to change your eBay username. God, it flies about today. Step 1 anyway is to go to the eBay homepage. Next, click on My eBay, then Account, then Personal Information, and here you'll see your existing eBay username. Next, click on Edit, and here you can enter your new eBay username. Now note that if the eBay username that you've chosen is available, eBay will instantly accept your new username. If it's not available, eBay will display username is taken, and obviously you'll need to try again with another eBay username. Like I mentioned before, if you're having trouble coming up with a new eBay username which gives buyers the feeling of trust and confidence, I'll put a link on the screen below to a previous week's video that shows you how to quickly find an eBay username which gives buyers the feeling of trust and confidence. That's all for this week. I hope this video helps you with how to change your eBay username. If you need any help scaling up your business, make sure you check out the free step-by-step videos below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home dropshipping using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.